Why the one gets gone? Gutom na yan, guys.
It's so freaking hot.
Yep, it is hot.
But it's not in here. Here is nice.
Yeah. It is 90 already, I think, outside.
It's nicer than outside.
90.
Oh, 90 outside. Yeah, I don't know that even how it is. But I'm all wet. And I'm not a woman.
So you have the
Oh, double? What the heck?
cold drinks. YouTube and Facebook.
On this one, I can just see my eye. On that one, just my ear.
Reklamo, good. I thought you don't wanna. You are camera shy.
I am.
How's the taste?
Good. It's very good.
I just used the fresh milk. There's no any sugar. So if you want,
Oh my gosh, amazing.
but mine I put the condensed milk.
Oh really? So you make like two of them?
No,
Oh, you put
I
you
just
added
yeah
them. Ah,
on top.
it's so good. It's perfect.
Thanks for the heart.
What? Heart?
Yeah,
What's heart?
I don't know who is he or she give us the heart.
Oh.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking our video.
Yeah, enjoy. Viewing it. Not tasting. I'm gonna taste it.
Gustong gusto niya kasi yung cassava.
Mm, gosh.
Kahit anong, any kind of, you know, cooking.
So it's in cassava, organic
Yeah.
milk.
Yeah.
Right? Organic.
Yeah, organic
Mhm.
milk. Ikaw naman, Peng. Thank you, Peng. Balinghoy. Cassava cake. This time, I put egg. So just try. Just cassava, egg, and did you cassava, egg, milk, vanilla, and mint.
Well, you
That's
know
it.
what you can try next time?
Yep.
Remember that vanilla powder that we bought, the
Yeah.
Polish one? It's gonna have little flavor. It's
I know.
sweetish. You could try that one.
So you want to have the sweet side?
No, it's not gonna be sweet. It's just gonna have that hint of the sweetness.
I know. Plus,
In my country, they call it vanilla sugar.
it's recommended next time I'm gonna use the Polish vanilla sugar flavor. Yung ginagawa niya, one of his ingredients in his cheesecake.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, give it the vanilla taste and smell, and it's sweet at the same time.
My sticky rice that I cook in the coconut milk, I think 3 days I finished. Because it's not helping me. You want more?
I take one more. Yeah, it's good.
One more daw, one more.
Thumbs up.
Medyo maalat-alat siya gawa ng cheese.
Thank you.
It's not, it's just a little bit of saltiness.
Okay, that's why I was recommending that. Thank you.
I think we still have.
The powder? Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, we do. Yeah, I saw it some time ago. Because we never made the freaking cheesecake.
Maybe you're
Seems like forever.
gonna make the cheesecake because now the fruits are cheaper compared to winter. The blueberries. Blueberry cheesecake.
But you need the cheese.
She said her lunch is on sticky rice.
You can make cheese. We can make cheese. I did make it before.
You didn't even the one that you put it in the pot, which is already curded, but you didn't really make into cheese. Oh my gosh! Oh,
Oh, yeah.
so heavy.
That's what I need something to drink. Ready?
Yep.
I can make it.
This is the mixture of fresh papaya,
Oh, what the heck?
strawberry, banana, peach, plum, and blueberry. Ouch. Heavy. Cheers. 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 Which flavor on top?
It's hard to tell. It's a blend. You cannot really tell.
Yep. It is sweet or just right?
That's right. Not too sweet.
Hindi ko siya masyadong na matamis gawa ng condensed milk. Because I have the sweetness from the condensed milk.
Oh, you cannot taste the
Yeah.
flavor. I want some more. Give me some.
Give me some.
You want some? Apiti. Good for you.
Matakaw to.
Good for me.
Good for me, good for you. Good for everyone.
Every day.
You don't need to put it in there. It has the kalahati. Kalahati lang muna. Mamaya na naman yung kalahati. We just eat half only because it's already late afternoon. Too much carb, it's not good for you. Portion control.
Not enough carbs is not good for you too. If you're depressed, eat carbs. Have something to eat.
If you're happy,
No,
eat protein.
if you feeling down, have some carbs. That's why people eat too much, because the carbs they're comfort food. They make you happy,
Oh
feel
my gosh.
comfortable. That's what the Gordon is saying.
Yeah,
Comfort food.
Balik natin siya sa
Almost everything is comfort food.
Gordon. He's a big fan of Gordon Ramsay. Me too.
Yeah.
We are the big fan of Gordon Ramsay. Shout out, Mr. Ramsay. We like your cooking show.
We like you swearing on those donkeys.
Stop. Bawal magmura.
You donkey! It's raw! I love that one.
Blunt.
No, it's raw!
My gosh, boy, you're gonna break
That's what
the
he did.
table.
He did it, remember?
So, remember? This is the glass.
Yeah. I control myself.
Otherwise, you're gonna sit in the floor. Or at that.
We're gonna eat
We're gonna-
Japanese style. Konnichiwa. Teresa-san.
Or the
Teresa-san. San is, I think, guy.
the Islam some of the remember the Indian some of those Indian, it's not really some, it's almost of those Indian people, they eat in the floor. It's back in their country, of course, not in the foreign country. I think if you're gonna eat in the floor, on the floor with those knees spreading out, it's gonna give you more space in your tummy. Sipot gid? Remember sipot?
Plus, you know,
Remember
they're
sipot?
gonna keep their house clean.
I know.
If you're eating off the floor, you have to have like, you know, squeaky clean floor.
How many did you get this time?
I don't know.
Did you get this bowl that you said?
Yeah,
Oh wow.
of course. I
How
think
many?
that's 4 of them.
Oh wow. So there's already 4 stands. You can
Yeah, but at least
definitely.
the caviar, the
Did you
bottom part.
did you cut into half or?
I had to one, I had to cut, but the other ones they were caviar already.
But did you cut them into the same size?
No. Oh, we can always cut them shorter.
Sorry.
It's long is not problem. Short is problem.
So I am the problem? Long is not a problem. Short is a big problem.
Remember what did I tell you? Another. Short. Shrimp.
Shrimp. Shrimpy. Yes, crocodile.
My gosh.
Did you finish?
What? Yeah, I think so.
I finished 3 glass.
And
But this one I think is around
yeah,
200 ml. Or not even 200 ml.
yeah, definitely not. Probably 150.
Because this is like a wine glass.
Mhm. That's exactly what it is. Wine glass.
Wine glass without stand.
Steam.
Takaw niya, no?
I think they call it steamed. Long thing.
It's more on fresh milk, so maybe I put around 500 ml of fresh milk.
Now she likes milk. She likes milk now.
Your milk is almost gone.
I just opened it.
Yeah, kabubukas niya lang ng 1 galon. You just open it, but it's around quarter already. You had it in the morning.
My coffee, I put some.
Here's a milk.
In
Here's
your
a
coffee, I
milk
put some
lover.
milk too. Yeah.
But that one,
Big milk lover. Lover, 2 thumbs up.
But I
Not
think-
thumb up, 2 thumbs up.
but I think you put only around quarter
A little
of,
bit more.
of milk, 30%,
Probably, roughly 30, 40, something like this. In between.
because his coffee is 50-50. But if
60, 40,
Yeah.
50, 50.
yeah,
Sometimes it's even
Six-
like, you know,
60
Tory coffee, 70 milk.
yeah, that's what I was to tell, that 60% of milk, because he like milk, so
It depends on the mood. It depends on the mood. If I feel for something hotter, there's gonna be more coffee, of course, than less milk. But if I want something colder, I'm gonna add more milk and just.
but you never put the coffee which is 60%, which is higher percentage than the milk.
I do.
Really?
I do. Yeah, you're just not here to see it.
I think he finished milk. I mean 2 liters of milk a day, at least.
No.
Yes,
No.
or even more than that.
It would be. When did we buy them? On what was it? Sunday?
I think Sunday.
Yeah. So,
So,
according to
Friday-
you, Kavio, we should be out of milk today, according to
No,
your
because
calculation.
yesterday you just have the milk in the afternoon. I mean coffee. So
Still,
yeah.
2 liters a day. That means like, you know, half of a gallon a day.
Yeah. Sometimes you
So 2 gallons should last me 4 days.
kita mo. Sometimes only before he can even finish 1 gallon of milk a day.
Easily. Yeah.
Yeah.
What's that? That's
Gosh.
not even 4 liters. 3 liters, 78.
Yeah.
378. So
Pagkabili, bukas kagad, tapos inom na. Pagdating ng bahay, kalahating galon na lang
that's
natira.
like Kavio breakfast for me.
My God.
I'm just kidding. Maybe not.
Yeah,
not the count of
before,
milk. But liter,
he
2
drink-
liters, I
yeah.
can easily go over
he
that.
drank right away after we bought it. He drank right away. He started it from the car.
Yeah, before I got home from shopping, it was half gone.
See, I told you, half gallon. Hindi ako nagsisinungaling. At least, inamin mo. Ayaw na niyang i-shave yung buhok ko. Kulayan niya na lang daw. Mahaba na kasi oh. Para daw kasi akong tomboy. He doesn't want me to have a shaved hair. But one day if you're gonna go out, I'm gonna shave it. It doesn't matter if you don't wanna refinish at the back. Chung, 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 chung. I don't wanna shave my hair, so give me $500.
So shave your head.
Okay. Gonna shave.
Go do it now.
Yeah.
In front of the camera.
You don't want to pay $500, so you're gonna shave
That's
my hair.
blackmailing. I can call the police.
Blackmailing.
It is. That's classical blackmail. Ah,
Now I feel the flavor. It's more on sour side.
nah.
Yep.
That's the flavor from the caviar, from the fruits. But what did you add? I think blackberries. They're gonna caviar add some of the caviar, so of the tartiness. I wouldn't say caviar like. I would say tart.
Yeah, because
Maybe
it's, as I
tarty.
said, it's a plum, peach, blueberry.
Yeah, blueberries.
It's not blackberry.
Oh,
Strawberry, banana, and papaya. So 6 fruits.
oh, papaya. Angel fruit.
Yeah, I think papaya is a lot compared to the rest.
Oh, papaya is good for you.
Of course. Papaya remind me of my lolo. Si Lolo Arok. My Lolo in heaven. He's watching from us now. I mention his name. I miss you, Lolo Maok.
You?
Because he has a problem of depositing every day. So he always eat papaya. Because we believe that papaya is good for digestive
I think
Di-
papaya is good for anything.
digestion.
I was even
yeah.
reading that the the seeds they are good if you
Yeah.
wanna get rid of the pregnancy. Yeah, if you're pregnant and you wanna
Yeah, because it's
kill the
bitter,
baby, you
yeah.
eat the seeds.
And you can even eat the seeds by itself. You know, it's give you a lot
But that's
of
bad. But we're pro-life, definitely pro-life. We're against we're not very
hindi yan
modern people.
hindi
We
yan
are old-fashioned.
hindi yan nag-absent sa church.
Old-fashioned, definitely.
Did you try to check the what is that? Police church in the Dallas town?
No.
We want to visit. We are planning to visit the police church, popular police church in Pennsylvania, located in Dallas town, which is Chitsihowa. What is that?
What? Częstochowa.
Częstochowa. I don't know really what is the spelling, so
CZ.
it's easy. Częstochowa.
And then L.
Oh.
L is with the E with the
CZ. Yeah.
CZL.
CZ. Because for them, CZ is like chi. Chi, right?
Ch.
Chu. Chu. Ang hirap.
Chi is either C with the
Ang
little
hirap
thing at the
eh.
top or CI.
Yeah, may hyphen pa siya. Ang hirap i-pronounce nung ano nila, salita. And then the Y or W, you pronounce it,
Y or W?
yeah. You pronounce it differently, right?
Y we pronounce A.
Yeah.
No. Yeah. Y A.
Y.
E. E. E.
E.
No E. A.
E. Eh. It's like the name
W is pronounced vu.
Ebony, right? Yeah. See? W pronouncing V. V.
But that's like, the pronunciation of the letter. When you kind
Kaya
of
yung pangalan
say
niya,
it, it's gonna sound like V, more like D.
parang
The
yung
English.
great. What's the pronunciation of your name in the Polish language?
It's Grzegorz.
Grzegorz.
Grze. Grzy, ży, ży, ży. Ży, ży,
Stop.
ży.
It's hard. I really. Ang hirap ko talagang matuto sa mga ganyang Yung Chinese, ilang taon ako sa Hong Kong, hindi din ako natuto. I'm not. Some of them is only few years and they already fluent in that languages. Sa Dubai, wala rin. I can just speak only few words and understand, but ang hirap. Hindi. Busog kami. Thanks for watching, Peng. Magre-relax muna ako.
Yeah, thanks, Pang.
Gonna watch TV. Have a nice
What
day.
TV?
Yeah,
I'm gonna watch TV?
Yeah, I'm going to watch movie.
Oh, movie, so not TV.
Or I'm going to watch my teleserye. Teleserye time. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Mwah.
Mwah.
Miss you. Keep
Love you,
safe.
miss you, love you.